No, have you started? I wanted to talk with it. No.
Start from
So just continue like that. So this is the processing facility coming up on the farm. Here we'll be processing ginger, garlic, and all into powder. So we are still going to demarcate into two. This side will be for dry product processing, while this side will be for the wet product processing. You know, we already have a pack house. This will be for the wet product processing. It's still coming up. We are hoping that by the end of next week, we will be done with all the plastering of the outside and all. Then upper week, we start working on the ceiling. Then once that is done, we start the final work on the floor. So some of the machines that we installed here, we have 2 sets of 10 tons that we combine 20 ton dryer dehydrator, so that whatever it is you want to dehydrate, you can bring them in. We have a dedicated 50 kVA generator as backup for the NEPA lights. We have a 10-ton sterilizer, so that whatever we process, if you need it sterilized, it can be sterilized. We also have an industrial set of grinders to pulverize or grind to fine powder. So the machines that we have for grinding can turn to powder into different formats. So we will keep you updated. Okay. We will keep you updated as we gradually finish the building. We are working towards ensuring that this place is ready by the end of August, so that by September, this place can start running. Therefore, the wet products will be able to run things like your vegetable salads, your vegetable packaging into your various brands. So whatever brand you have, we would help you do all your packaging. We would also help you do your production to whatever level that it is that you want. So, yes, thank you. If the Lord is talking to you to give us AC as donation, we would appreciate it. Thank you.